Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Hi, I've been out for a minute, yes I know, but I'm back and I'm better, period. Okay, so right now I'm going to braid down my sister's hair. I'm doing a part down the middle and I'm putting edge control on her thin edges. She's gonna kill me. I'm sleeking it back and then braiding it just to make sure I grip all the hair. As I'm braiding her hair down, I noticed her hair is extremely shorter than it used to be. And she did tell me that she did cut her hair short because she had severe damage on her hair. And I do understand because she liked to flatten her hair a lot without protectors or anything. So it took me a minute to actually hook her hair in my hands and braid it. So after I finish braiding her hair down, I'm going to take some Spritz and spray it on her hairline just to push back her edges even more because, again, when I'm doing a quick weave, so I don't want her edges at all to be, affected at all because she would get on me, period. She would really be my ass. Okay, now I am greasing her scalp with Wild Grow so she won't have itchy scalp or whatever, and placing a cap. And what I'm gonna do with the cap is sew it on so it won't move when I cut it. And then I'm gonna add some protector on her, glue protector on her head, so when I do end up gluing the tracks on her head, her hair will not be affected. I forgot to tell you guys, bear with me on my looks. I came from work and I immediately changed my clothes and I started doing her hair. I'm just not in my attire. So I just don't care. I was like, nah, let me get this done because she want to go out on her birthday and I'm just trying to get everything done. Her makeup, her hair, her outfit, I'm just so tired. You don't understand the sacrifice I do for this girl. And she's sitting here being, selfish. But, it's okay. After I put a protector on her hair, I'm going to blow dry her hair until it's fully dry. And then what I'm going to do is take Got2b spray and spray around her hairline and dry it. So just when I cut the cap after I finish gluing on the tracks, it will stay in place. Alright, I'm going to blow dry the hair until it's dry, and then now I'm just going to glue the tracks. Measure it on her head first, glue it, and repeatedly until I get to half her head to add the blonde. now I'm using the blonde on top, just to cover up the bottom, just to make majority of her hair 1B. And not 1B, blonde. So I'm just adding the blonde. That's about it. And just keep adding until I get to the part where I have to do an invisible part in her hair because she has no hair out. I did get tired of adding the glue to the tracks because like it was very like tedious for me and I got tired. But I found another way where I just add the glue to the cap and then just glue the track on the cap, which was way better for me, way easier, and it did not affect her hair because again there's a protector on it, so it would not. In the middle of the video that I did edit out, I did go back in between the tracks to add more hair, only because I wanted to add all the hair in. I didn't want like no hair left over at all, and it's only 2 packs, so yeah. Look how beautiful it looks, like OMG. Like I had no confidence that this would look good on her. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm just like, that's what she want. I'm not gonna, tell her that she gonna look ugly in it because that's what she wants. Like, who am I to be telling her she's not gonna look good in it? But she looked really good in it at the end, as you will see towards the end. But right now I'm cutting the cap around her head, so I know it's white and that's the only cap I had available. I did not want to buy a cap at all. Like, I already have one at home. I'll be using my supply, okay? So. Okay, but now what I'm doing is a illusion part. What I do is cut the wefts in half because they're double wefted. And then glue the tracks towards her face to make an illusion like it's coming out her scalp. Yeah, so I didn't really put the camera closer so you guys can see close up how I did it. I just cut, glue as close as possible, and kept going until I almost hit the back of her head. And then from there I will do a closure to close it out. This is a very tedious, very, very tedious gluing in the front because you have to make sure that you glue it close as possible and you don't put too much glue because then it can like smudge on her hairline, and then you gotta pull it out. Like, you have to be really, really patient when it comes to this, and it takes about 30 minutes. Okay, now I'm creating her closure for her back of her head because I'm done with the invisible part, but I need to close it out so it could look as seamless as possible. So what I'm doing is like taking the leftover track, adding glue on it, and then I'm rolling it up into a donut, as I don't know, a donut, and then I flat iron it into a circle and then glue it on her head. It sounds so simple, but it took me forever to perfect this. I had bumps. I had like a whole knot in my head from this, so really do take your time. And I can't really explain fully on how I did it. You have to like search it on YouTube and really really understand what I'm saying. I'm sorry, but right now I'm cutting her hair with my hair scissors to make sure it's cut evenly throughout her hair. Okay, now that I'm cutting around her hair to make sure it's cut evenly, like I had to make sure it was cut really, really well because I'm really bad. I'm really blind, but I choose not to wear my glasses, so yeah. So right now I'm telling her to bend her head so I can cut the bottom of her hair, so when I do flat iron it, it won't be bulky. So bending her hair down throughout her whole head to make sure the bottom is flat and the same length as the top. Okay, now that I finished cutting her hair and like, you know, shaping it or whatever, I'm going to flat iron it to see if my cutting skills are A1. And also going to pressure top to flatten her part. Okay, after I finished flattening her part, I am finished with her hair. This is the end result. She's so happy. She said, "Oh my God, Simba, I don't know if I'm gonna look good in it." And she looks so good in it. I'm like proud that she actually got this color and I didn't say anything. So yeah, this is the end result. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Bye.